Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are focusing on the knots. We are focusing on how pre-bleached this wig is. We are focusing on the naturalness. So this is the difference between single knots and double knots, and I hate a double knotted wig. Please do not ever buy a double knotted wig. It would never look natural at all. So this is what the wig looked like on the inside. It has the fake scalp, which honestly helped with the naturalness, and it made a very, very big difference. So y'all know I have to go on my edge control, slick these edges back because I will be using an adhesive spray today, and y'all know it could dry out your edges a little bit. So you want to make sure you get them slicked back right into position because y'all know I do not play. I'm just going to apply it all over the inside of the lace, but I'm going to wait to apply it on the top of the lace once I get it on my head, just to give y'all a more clearer visual of how it really works when you apply concealer on top of your lace versus under your lace. Like, it gives it such a big difference. That's why I do both, but you can see how much more realistic it looks when I apply it on the top. You see how it kind of was looking a little white to the right, and then as soon as I applied it, it blended straight. And I will recommend this to everybody, but only a cream concealer. No liquid foundation, no none of that. Maybe powder, of course, but nothing liquid. It's gonna look very crazy, and it's gonna cake up your lace really bad. And one of the pros about this wig is that it kind of comes in a medium brown, like a darker kind of lace instead of the clear one, which means it's going to be way more affordable for most girls who are more of a brown skin tone or whatever the case may be. But for girls like me, I did kind of find it a little bit more complicated, but I did try to blend it as much as I can with the concealer, which always makes a difference. Whether it's a tiny bit darker or transparent, you can definitely fix your lace. There's always a way. so this is the final look of the hair. I did decide to blunt cut the ends and bump them. If you can't really tell, I curled them under. This one don't look like it was curled under at all, but yeah, I curled them. I just bumped it under just to give it that extra sleek look. Now y'all, I wasn't even supposed to keep these two braids in, like they literally made these braids, but it's kind of cute to me. Like it's giving a style. Like I'm feeling it, so I decided to keep it in. I'm like, we could definitely do this. The only thing that I feel like was giving me issues about this wig is I'm not medium brown, and I need to start off with a transparent lace. So if I don't, it's gonna look a little bit dark, which is kind of how it looks, like a little bit dark, but it's still very much gave. The hairline gave. I didn't have to pluck it. I didn't even bleach it, nothing. I just put a little bit of makeup on it, and that was about it. That's literally all I had to do. So I feel like everybody needs like that beginner friendly wig, and a lot of these companies are starting to, you know, give you more of a pre-plucked wig. And some girls like me, I'm not gonna lie, I do like to pluck my own wigs, just because you know how you like to pluck your wig. Everybody has different plucking techniques, but I know there is girls out there who don't know how to pluck like at all. So this is just super beginning. So this is just super beginner friendly. Now if you want a nice little style, once again, this wig literally came like this as I showed y'all, and it turned out fine. Like it looks really good. It's something different, and I don't know, I'm really liking the two braids. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I would never thought of this myself as far as a style, because I guess I would have never knew how exactly would it came out, but I think it's cute. Like the braid comes about right here, and then it's released, you know, whatever. But it looks pretty good. It looks good to me. I'm feeling it. And this here is about, I believe it's 24 inches. It kind of gave me 26 a little bit, but being that I cut it, it's definitely a 24. So that works perfectly for me. Other than that, like I said, super beginner friendly wig. Who doesn't want this? And it's very lightweight, like very much a summertime flowy type of wig without it looking too thin. This is what it looks like when I stand up a little bit. Very flowy, very lightweight. It doesn't feel like I have a wig on my head or nothing. I know some people, you know, worry about, oh, I don't want summertime. Is this wig gonna be too hot? I don't want a wig on. Let me get braids. You know, those type of girls. Shout out to y'all, whatever. And this is very breathable. So if you want your wig, girl, here you go. It's styled, it's pre-plucked, it's whatever. Do what you need to do, and it's very easy to install. As y'all can see, I use my Ebin spray. Y'all know how I feel about the Ebin spray. It's a really good lace adhesive, but it's a liquid adhesive. More than got to be, less than actual adhesive, if that makes sense. So anyways, like if you like this video, let me know what y'all think about this look, or what y'all think about this style that I did not do. Once again, I did not style this wig, but the braids is braiding. Like the braids are really neat, and it's the French braids. Like it's braided inside, not outside. I think that's what really caught me. Like the inside braids always lay flatter. And if you didn't know, pro tip, I can't do it to my own hair, but for someone who does French braids really good, and French braid meaning the braids inside out and not outside in, if that makes sense. Let me know what y'all call it. Let me know what y'all call it by where you from, whatever the case may be. But I just think that when you're installing a wig, if you do French braids, your wig is gonna lay so much flatter. And of course, if you do smaller braids, it should lay flat anyway. But inside braids, French braids, they always lay way flatter than regular braids, and they just look more seamless. So if you didn't know that, now you know. So comment down below, like I said, let me know y'all thoughts. Let me know how y'all feeling about this simple, easy, quick, literally beginner friendly look. And subscribe if you want to see more videos from Mwah, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, y'all.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.